And I've been away from home for a few days, but I just returned to find my August Hip Kit Club kits on my doorstep. So I am super excited to dig in and share all of these gorgeous kits with you. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I cannot wait. So here is the August main kit. Let's start by taking a look at the papers. So there's lots of Truly Grateful and some of the other new collections in this kit. This is number 6 from Truly Grateful, which is Paige Evans for Pink Paisley. I love this tone-on-tone grid on the back. This one is number 5 from Truly Grateful. All these little butterflies and leaves are just dying to be fussy cut. And then there's that gorgeous tone-on-tone again blue pattern on the back. This one's Genuine from Heritage by Maggie Holmes. This really beautiful dusty purple. And then some more blue. This is a kind of a navy blue on the back. Here's another one from Truly Grateful. This is paper number 13. Look at all of these titles you can fussy cut out of this paper. There are so many titles here. And then of course the back is this gorgeous star pattern, which would make a really great background. Here's another one from Heritage. This is Homestead, Heritage by Maggie Holmes for crepe paper. And there's more of that beautiful dusty purple color on the back. This one is Grandma. I love this. It reminds me of quilts, which makes me want to scrapbook pictures of my grandma, actually. So again, Grandma from Heritage by Maggie Holmes. Oops, I got 2 there. And the back side is this really pretty kind of peachy pink color. This one is from Slice of Life by Amy Tangerine. This is Bamboo Blues. So it's got this gorgeous navy kind of foliage print on this side, and then the back has these adorable little hearts in teal and navy and yellow. This is Olive from Heritage by Maggie Holmes for crepe paper. So there are all these little bows, and then the other side has little spades and clubs and hearts and diamonds like cards, which also very much makes me think of my grandma. This is from Wildflower and Honey by Vicki Boutin. This is Queen Bee. This paper is absolutely stunning. This is gorgeous. I cannot wait to find a way to use this paper. It is beautiful. And then the other side is another kind of navy blue print. This one's very dark, very deep. But if you can see, it has a little bit of like a chevron pattern in there as well. This is paper number 15 from Truly Grateful, again by Paige Evans for Pink Paisley. This gorgeous warm tone floral on this side, and then a really beautiful painterly kind of mixed media looking background on this side. This again would make a really good background. And then finally, paper number 14 from Truly Grateful. I love these papers that have all the 2x2 squares. These are great for punching or for using in your die cut machine to get lots of different little shapes out of it, or to cut apart and create a little mini album. That would be cute as well. And then the other side has all of these suns, which again would be fun to fussy cut out. So those are the papers. Let's take a look at the embellishments. So we get a set of alphas from Pink Fresh Studio. This is from the Office Hours collection. It's this really gorgeous light pink color, and I love this font, kind of scripty handwritten font. It's really fun to create titles and kind of nestle all of the letters together, not in necessarily a straight line, so very pretty alpha. We get a set of thickers. These are from Truly Grateful, the Paige Evans collection. There are lots of titles in here, but also lots of little bits. So it's almost like having a set of little puffy stickers as well. So there are dots and hearts and stars, and some of them have little hearts inside them. There are also little icons like butterflies and suns and birds and a mushroom, and then lots of title options as well. We also get from the Just a Little Lovely collection from Pink Fresh Studio, the mixed embellishment pack. So this has wood buttons, enamel pieces, some enamel dots, and then some kind of layered chipboard pieces that are also popped up on foam, if you can see that. Also from Truly Grateful, we get the ephemera pack. So this has 2 sections of different ephemera pieces. Here is a look at everything that's included. So there are also some titles in here and lots of little icons and that gorgeous pumpkin. And look at that wreath. Oh my goodness. Okay, there is that. And then we get another ephemera pack. This one is from Indian Summer from Pretty Little Studio. This was designed by Kim Watson. And these are frames and leaves. So here is what is inside that. And if you can see that gorgeous gold foil on there, there is a look at everything up close. And there you go. That is the main kit for August. Next up, let's take a look at the embellishment kit for August. So we get some more office hours from Pinkfish Studio. These are the chipboard stickers. I love this collection so much. It has so many cute little icons that remind me of going back to school or working in an office or even crafting. There are little staplers and scissors and things that would work for crafting as well. Just super cute little things, and the colors are gorgeous. I love the colors in this collection. Super excited to have one of those. We also get a set of thickers. These are from Truly Grateful by Paige Evans for Pink Paisley. These are called Happy Thoughts, and they are foam. So it is printed chipboard on top of foam, which means that they'll be adhesive, like they will actually stick to your pages better than the chipboard ones. They're a little bit easier to manipulate as well, I find, the foam ones. Gorgeous colors to match that collection, of course. From Pretty Little Studio, again, Indian Summer, designed by Kim Watson. These are ink wash clear stickers. So here is a look at them up close. These are gorgeous clear stickers to add kind of in the background. So these little mixed media looking things, if you are uncomfortable with mixed media, this is a great way to get that look on your pages. And because they're clear, they will just kind of blend into the background or anything else you put them on top of. They're really gorgeous. Also from Pretty Little Studios, Indian Summer, again, designed by Kim Watson. These are vellum washi strips. So look at all of those gorgeous colors. Oh my goodness. The little leaves. This just screams fall to me. It's so beautiful, and it's gonna match the stuff from Truly Grateful and Heritage so well. Oh, those are so pretty. Speaking of Truly Grateful, we also got the floral embellishments. So there are 3 little packs here. There are some little leaves and then some flowers without the white border, and then also some flowers and flower clusters with the white borders. Here is a look at everything that's inside there. There's a lot there. Paige Evans always packs her floral packs so full of good things. They're gorgeous. There is that. And then finally, from Vicki Boutin, Wildflower and Honey, the layered stickers, the layered butterfly, that's what they're called, butterfly stickers. They are so pretty. So they have foam adhesive on the back, and they are layered so you can kind of bend them up once you have them out of the package and onto your page, and add some dimension and movement to your pages. Those are so gorgeous. Okay, so that is the embellishment pack for August. Next up, we have the Pocket Life Kit for August. So let's start by taking a look at these gorgeous cards. So you may remember from last month, we've started to get some new sizes. So in addition to the 3x4 and 4x6, we also get some 3x8 and 3x6 cards. Which are so much fun to play with. I have been having lots of fun playing with the ones from last month, and I'm excited to see what this month's cards look like. But let's start with the 3x4 cards. Of course, these are all single-sided, so you don't have to choose which side to use. You get to use them all. So this one has this gorgeous floral on the top. So beautiful. Here's some of that pretty kind of dusty purple color that was in the main kit. With just a line card, perfect for adding journaling either to traditional scrapbook pages or pocket pages. I love this plaid. That is so pretty. And very cool to have just the one little corner. It would be nice to, a good place to add an embellishment and then maybe add your photo below it. Oh, this one says snapshots and has lots of space for journaling and a date. This one says Captured in the pretty orange color. There's another one with some florals. Again, a great place for a photo and a few lines of journaling or the date. There's a story of today. Moments like these. Real life, I really like that. That's so pretty. Another really gorgeous floral wreath in these gorgeous fall colors. I am so feeling the fall vibes and I'm loving it. I really like this one too. It's so simple, but just that little bit of what looks like a washi tape strip at the top just makes it such a cute card. Here's another floral. And this one, again, with the one corner. It could go either way, of course. Delight. What a beautiful color purple that is. And then all the feels. I really like this one too. That font is super cute. And then lots of space for journaling or even for a photo. So those are the 3x4 cards. Let's take a look at the 4x6 card. So there is this one in that, again, really pretty dusty purple color. It says Adventure. This one says Love in very similar font to those stickers from Truly Grateful. I love this one too. It's a hexagon pattern in gorgeous tones of purple and pink and yellow. And then here is the title card for the month. It says August. So pretty. The 3x6 cards, this one says Right Now. Has lots of space for lists or for journaling, or again for a photo. This one is a little tag print that says Adventure Awaits. And then this one, it says Currently Enjoying, and then it's numbered 1, 2, and 3. I love that. That's such a good idea just to get some random journaling into your albums. And then finally the 3x8. So this one says What We Did, What We Saw, Where We Were. That is so perfect for any kind of travel, big or small, whether it's just in your hometown or out and about. This one has, I love it when they have these circles like this because you can just stick a little embellishment and it makes it look finished. That's all you have to do. So there are lots of little embellishments in this kit that we'll get to that you could see would fit nicely in there. And then look at that. Oh my goodness, that stripe is so gorgeous. I love that so much. And again, all of these are single-sided, so you don't have to choose which side to use, which is nice. Okay, so those are the cards. Let me just move them out of the way a little bit so we can take a look at the rest of the gorgeous stuff in this kit. So let's just start at the top here. This is a set of frames that are called Be Bold frames from Indian Summer, from Pretty Little Studio, again designed by the amazing Kim Watson. Here is what is inside there. Those are super, super cute. Look at all those sayings. So be bold, be brave, be you, here we go, shine, dream, better together, life is better with you right now, wish, think happy, be happy, and then some hearts. Very, very cute. Oh, and it says this is printed with toner and it can be foiled. So if you have a way to foil, you can add foil to these, which is very cool. Also from Pretty Little Studios, Indian Summer, these are die cut tags and tabs. So they are white, which means you can add all your mixed media on top of them. And they're a little bit hard to see on the packaging. I'm gonna try and make it so you can see there. But they are just different shaped tags, and then they have sayings inside them that are cut out, like family, home sweet home, happy, grateful, etc. From Truly Grateful, we get this pack of embellishments. So there are enamel hearts and sequins and then wood veneer pieces all included. Here is what everything looks like. This circle with the heart punched is perfect for stitching. So you can actually just take some embroidery thread and stitch the heart and use that as an embellishment on your pages. From Office Hours, again from Pinkfresh Studio, we get the puffy stickers, and look at how cute these are. Oh my goodness, that rainbow stack of books. I love that so, so much. Adorable. Also from Pinkfresh Studio, this time from Just a Little Lovely. These are the mini puffy alpha stickers, and aren't they just beautiful? I love this kind of shaded, mixed media looking coloring to them. And of course it's double-sided, so we get warm tones on this side and cool tones on this side, and they are stunning. They are going to be so much fun. Just picture all of these mixed up into a gorgeous little subtitle or a title on your pocket pages. So beautiful. And then finally, from Truly Grateful, we get the 6x12 sticker sheet. So it is double-sided. Look at all of the beautiful things on this sticker sheet. Again, the same kind of icons: trees, mushrooms, butterflies, and then lots of titles here as well. So that is the Pocket Life Kit from August. Next up, let's take a look at the Mixed Media Kit, or the Color Kit. So I am super excited about the color kit this month. Not only does it have 3 magical powders from Lindy's Stamp Gang in these gorgeous shades of Golden Sleigh Bells, Teapot Purple, and Ramblin' Rose Pink. So, so pretty. We also get an exclusive stamp from Hip Kit Club. This is designed by one of the design team members, Femke, and it is just gorgeous. Look at all those little sayings and these patterns, which are going to make some really cool backgrounds on our pages. There's some leaves and flowers. Just absolutely gorgeous. She knocked it out of the park on this one. And there are 27 stamps here. On this little stamp set, there are 27 stamps. So she really packed a lot into this set. Yeah, super excited to try this out. And then we also get this set of stencils from Vicki Boutin's new collection, Wildflower and Honey. There are 3 stencils in here. There's a floral, a kind of honeycomb or a hexagon one, and then this with all of the sayings on it. So versatile, so many things you can do with this. I am really, really excited to play with these. This kit is going to be a lot of fun. And I love that we get a purple one this month to match all of those purples that are in the other kits. And finally, let's take a look at both the paper kit and the cardstock kit for August. Of course, the paper kit has exactly the same papers that are in the main kit, so I'm not going to go through those again, but I did want to lay them out here just so you can see how well everything coordinates with all of the cardstock in the cardstock kit. So in that kit, we get 2 each of all of these gorgeous colors. They're all basil and they're all textured cardstock. The white one is Avalanche, the next one is Arroyo, then Heidi, Typhoon, Quartz, and Lemonade. Gorgeous, gorgeous colors. This one, look at how well that coordinates with this paper. It matches so perfectly. So yeah, gonna be so much fun to create with these beautiful papers. So here is one last look at everything that comes in the August kits. You guys, it is so, so beautiful in person. I know last month I raved about the kits and kept saying how I think they were my favorites, but these are edging up on them. They are growing on me, and I'm loving all of these fall colors. This is going to be so much fun to play with. I cannot wait. If you haven't already picked these up for yourself, everything will be linked down below in the description box, so you can find all of these kits down there. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments. I will be sure to get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks again for watching, and have a wonderful day.